When trading, we have spreads, and this is the difference between the market price and what the broker is offering. At HFM, we have a zero spread account, and this is an account that has very tight variable spreads to ensure the best trading conditions. To access it, you need to go to the portal. Under the landing page, scroll to where it's written open trading account. So you'll see a list of accounts if you already have accounts, but you can go to open trading account. On the open trading account section, you'll find that there are different types of accounts. There's a cent account, premium account, and a zero spread account. These all come with different variations of trading costs and trading conditions such as swaps. So click on the zero spread account, which you'll be notified won't have a spread charge, but will rather have a commission charge. So this ensures tight spreads for quick and easy or smooth trading conditions, especially in volatile markets. Once you've selected the zero spread account, you need to fill out the specifications of this account. The first is the platform. So you can either choose MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 or even the HFM application. Next, we have the trading leverage, and this is variable from 1:400 to 1:100, 1:50. So this is up to you to choose. And then lastly, we have the trading currency. Next, after you've chosen your variable leverage, you can add any ID, any affiliate ID or campaign ID, so that the account is linked to the appropriate affiliate in this case. After you filled out all your details correctly, now simply click on open account. Remember, the account features are below that open account button, where you can see more details or more information about this zero spread account. Now, once you've clicked open account, your page will be refreshed and you will see the account details. So there you have it. We have the account login detail, that is the account number. We have the account password, which will also be emailed to you, and we have the server for this zero spread account. Now remember, we have a video on suffixes that you can refer to on what suffixes you use when trading on this server. Ensure to proceed to your deposit section, where you can either transfer from your wallet or make a deposit directly to this account for you to begin your trading. An easy way to load your account if the page refreshes is when you're back on the portal, you can click on the deposit button, and this will take you back to the deposit section where you need to transfer funds from your wallet. In this process, it's very straightforward. You need to select the source of funds. If you're transferring from the wallet, make sure the wallet is funded. And next, you need to highlight where these funds are going to. In this case, it's in the zero spread account, so you need to mark that account number. And there you go, it says deposit successful, and now you're ready to link your account on MT5. Now, you will have details with regards to the account login and password. However, if you do not have MT5 installed on your device, this is where you get to install the MT5 trading application, or you can even log in directly from the web terminal. To install the MetaTrader 5 application, simply click on MetaTrader 5. Now you have to know whether it's the desktop or the mobile application that you're using. In this case, I'm using the mobile application, so I'll click on that, and then I'll get to the section where it redirects me to install the MetaTrader 5 application. Once you've installed your application, you can click on accept on this prompt, and then now you can go ahead and link your account or MT5 to your trading server for you to start trading. So simply select on HFM investments, and if you can't see it on the pop-up, you can also use the search button. So you can search HFM investments and then select on that. Then now you will be prompted to enter your login details, and these you can find either from your email or from the prompt message we had earlier. So enter that and ensure you are using the correct server. So there's a live server and the demo server. Once you filled out the details correctly, you're ready to log in and start trading on your zero spread account.